Hey there, it's Dave with FlipperForce, and I'm excited to announce the launch of our brand new Receipts feature designed to completely revolutionize how you manage your project receipts and expenses. So every house flipper has dealt with a shoebox or a car full of paper receipts that inevitably get lost, and when that happens, it's nearly impossible to accurately track your transactions. And that's why we built the new Receipts feature, to give you a centralized place to digitize and organize all of your project receipts so you can easily convert them into transactions in the expense tracker. So let's show you how it works. Whenever you're at the store, as soon as you make your purchase and print off a copy of your receipt, you can simply open up our brand new FlipperForce mobile app and scan the receipt right on site. So from the new FlipperForce mobile app, tap on the project that the receipt belongs to. Then you're going to want to tap on the new Receipts tab. From the Receipts tab, tap the Add Receipt button and simply snap a photo of the receipt and then click the Upload button. Now once you've tapped the Upload button, the receipt's going to immediately begin uploading in the background, so you can just go ahead, wad up that paper receipt and toss it in the trash can, because your receipt is now digitally securely saved in your project receipt area. Once the receipt is uploaded, if you want to rename the receipt or add a description, you can do that right there from the FlipperForce mobile app. Now, once you get back to your laptop, all of your digitized receipts will be waiting for you in the new dedicated receipt section found in the accounting area. The receipts area provides an organized and searchable view of all of your project receipts. You can also click on a receipt here, and you can even edit the name and give it a description if you need to. But the real power is going to happen in the expense tracker. So this is where you're going to be able to connect the receipts to actual expenses and transactions. So when you go over to the expense tracker and you create a new transaction, you can now easily select a receipt from your receipts inbox. Our new expense modal, it gives you a full side-by-side view. You'll have your receipt image on the left and your expense fields on the right. So now you have a full view of the receipt and can easily enter all of the expense data without bouncing back and forth. But we're not stopping here. In the next few weeks, we will be adding additional transaction linking features that will make it even easier to convert a receipt to a transaction and give you clearer visibility on which receipts have been linked or not linked. And then the big one we're going to be working on is we're also going to be working on an exciting new AI receipt scanner that's going to automatically scan your uploaded receipt images for you and then populate your transaction details for you, which will eliminate all that tedious manual data entry with the single click of a button. So we think the new receipts feature is going to provide a much better workflow for you for organizing all of your receipts and hopefully easily converting them to transactions. We're already looking forward to some powerful new updates that'll be coming here in the next couple weeks. So why don't you give it a try and let us know if you have any feedback. Thanks.